Hi buddies, welcome back to my channel Tyro's buddy Anila. Perfect dosas are the matter of pride and this required a perfect batter. Two things are important while making the batter. One is the proportion of urad dal and rice and the other one is the consistency of the batter. Though dosa batters are readily available in the market, but making one at home is very healthy and hygienic. To make dosa batter at home, all you need is rice, urad dal and fenugreek seeds. Wash and soak them for about 5 hours and keep it aside. Once all the ingredients are soaked well, drain and grind the batter. First I am going to grind urad dal. I am using grinder for it. You can use mixie as well. The ratio for the batter must be 1 cup of urad dal and 4 cups of rice and 2 spoons of fenugreek seeds. Use water for diluting the batter. In this stage, we will add fenugreek seeds. The consistency of the batter must be like this. The urad dal must be finely grinded and you can see the consistency how it is. Yes, now it is done. We'll collect it in a container. Next we'll add rice to it. Add all the rice. Add water for diluting the batter. Now it's done. We'll collect the batter in the same container. Further, combine the two in the same container. Add salt. Mix well. I'll transfer the batter in 2 different containers. One I'll put in the fridge and one will be outside. Next, cover with a lid and keep it aside to ferment for minimum 12 hours. Once the batter is fermented, South Indian dosa batter is ready to use. Mix the dosa batter well before use. Dosa batter is no rocket science and easy to make, but that you require to make a perfect dosa batter is patience. The batter is thick, so before use, we'll dilute it. Take a pan and heat it. Let the pan heat well. It is diluted now. We'll use it. Spread the dosa evenly. After the change in color of the batter, add oil to it. Turn it backside. Yes buddies, our South Indian dosa is ready. Let's serve it hot in the plate. Hope you all like my dosa recipe and I make videos with great efforts. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.